in the a triangle. This triangle we have has a side. Let's just make a construction or a sketch of what we are going to do. Say the triangle. The triangle is something that look like this. We have one side is A and B, which is 7 cm, and the next side is BC. BC is 6, okay, is 5 cm. Is 5 cm, and angle BC is what? 60 degree. So that's what we're going to calculate. We're going to construct it. Here again, the next question said bisector. That means we're going to have a bisector of this place of C, bisecting it, and then to meet the bisector of AC, which will be something that will be coming from here at point they are going to measure, which is X. So let's quickly do that. The first thing we are going to do is to measure the angle using our triangle. This is my using our ruler and a pair of compasses. This is my ruler here, and I measure out. Since I have my sketch there, BC is 7 cm. We have a 7 cm. This is 7 cm. 7 cm. I make an arc. Get the arc. This is the first arc, and this one is the second arc. Along this arc, all this from distance from this arc is equal to what? Is equal to 7 cm. So I can quickly make my straight line. That's my straight line. This is my straight line now. Joining it. All these parts is 7 cm. Okay, we really move a bit from there. The two arc distance from here to here 7 cm. So the next one we do is the next thing is this one will be called this is our AB. So the next one is BC. But BC has an angle. For that reason, we need to find the angle before we do that. The BC from here has an angle. That's the first thing we do. We're going to find the angle. We take a radius of our choice, construct, and then we construct angle 60 degree there. To construct angle 60 degree, take a radius of your choice. Then we form an arc. Look at how the arc goes. This is the arc. This is the arc. From this point of intersection of the arc and the straight line, we'll make another arc by setting cutting across the initial arc we have made. So this is what we have. This point is where we have our 60 degree. So this point is where we have our 60 degree. So the next thing we do now is to measure out the 5 cm. We measure the 5 cm. I'm going to measure the 5 cm. This is the 5 cm here. I have my 5 cm. Then I place it here at this point of intersection. I have my arc. Why I'm drawing it like this is so that from getting the arc like this is so that I will be able to trace the line, because all this arc around here is equal to 5 cm from B. So now we have our angle. This end is 7 cm. 7 cm. This is 7 cm. This is funny. Let me make it better. This is my 7 cm. Okay. 7 cm. So now we'll come over here to get our C. Our C from this point, we make sure it meets the point of intersection of the where we have the two arcs intersecting each other. Point of intersection of the two arcs, and then we draw our line We draw our line. This line now from this the final arc we made from that point. From this arc, like I told you, is 5 cm. From here to down to B is 5 cm. So we have our 5 cm. This can be, we can call it now 5 cm. This is 5 cm. Now we can join the whole triangle, and here is also 60 degree. 60 degree. Now we can join the triangle. Then I'm joining it. You can see our triangle now. So the next thing we are going to do is to solve the next question. The next question says that a bisector of C meets the perpendicular bisector of AC. So we're going to bisect the C. Let's do the bisection of a C. This is our C. I forgot to put the number, the letter. So this is C. So we bisect C now. Bisecting C, from this point, take a radius of our choice. Form an arc at the other end, the right side, another arc here. Then from the point of intersection of this arc, we'll make another arc. Oh, I think I got it right. I got it. Okay, let me repeat it. Yeah, I got it. So the next one is from the right side again. We take from the point of intersection of that arc, we'll make another arc. So we can then draw the line. Join the line. Now from the point of intersection of this, look at the point of intersection, we draw the straight line. We have bisected C. That is what we have done now. So the next one is bisector of AC. That is, we are going to bisect this end. So when we are bisecting a straight line, it's always nice to take an arc that is a bit more than the length of the area that we are, the length that we are bisecting. So I took this arc now. This is the arc I have chosen. That's the radius. Sorry, this is my radius I've chosen. I choose the radius. You need to choose the radius that's a bit above the length of the side you are bisecting, so that you can easily get the intersection, point of intersection. You can see this other one. We have, this is the point of intersection here. Then the next one with the same radius, form another. Oh, sorry. With the same radius, we make another arc here. Then we join it together. We join the two arcs together. From the point of intersection of this, I draw my line. To meet the second part of it. Now we have our the bisector. That means AC has been bisected. Now it said this point, the point of intersection is the point that we'll call the X. I put the S there. That is the X. Now you can see the X. So the next question there is measure BS. We measure BS, that is from here to that X, which is the point of intersection. So what I do is to use my pair of divider. B is here, and our S is this place, point of intersection. Then we carry it, measure it from our ruler. What we have here from the ruler, we put it, then we have about 3.1. That is BX is equal to 3.1 cm. 3.1 cm. All right, thank you so much for getting this. Thank you so much for getting this far, and we want to hear from you. You can also comment, like, share, and if you have any question, you can also leave it as a comment for us there. If you have not subscribed, please, you can support us by subscribing. Thank you so much.